So guys, the thing I'm gonna tell you today you probably never heard before. And I'm really sure that 95% of the people who's watching this video right now never saw how it looks like. So normally a lot of the traders, and we are as well, trading with the indicators, patterns, and levels. But this time I decided to test something that we never tried before. And it's Fibonacci fun. Because what are these mysterious levels? Why so many traders love them, and is it actually working in practice? So in this video, I'm gonna show you everything step by step, theory plus practice. Also, how to use it to find a good entry point. So guys, sit back and get comfortable, get yourself a tea, a coffee, what you prefer more, and maybe today you will find a new instrument for your trading. So guys, let's get started. For now, I just have $100 in my balance. Not that much, but that's what we're gonna work with. So yeah, first we change our time of the expiration to 2 minutes, and amount of money, let's do like $25 for now. Okay, this is pretty good chart. And we go here to the instruments and click on Fibonacci Fun. Here it is. You will ask me, what is that? But I will explain it now. So here we open a buy trade for 2 minutes. So guys, why we open here a trade up? Because we can see that our price achieved one of the diagonal line and started going up from this level. But you can see that here's also some horizontal lines with some numbers. So let's talk about what is that. So first of all, Fibonacci Fun is a set of diagonal trend lines built from a key point, usually high or low, and draw through the Fibonacci ratio. So it's like 38.2 percentages, or as here is 0.382, or 50%, or as here is 0.5, and more. So it looks like a fan spring out from one point. So its purpose is to show potential support and resistance zones, but not horizontal as we usually draw it, but dynamic sloping levels. So that's why it looks like this. So now guys, we have 47 seconds till the end of our trade. As you can see, it's going pretty well. I've already achieved another diagonal line. But also we need to understand what do the Fibonacci Fun line means. So each line is a dynamic support and resistance, as we already talked about, depending on time. So for example, the line of 0.382 or 38.2 percentages line, it's weak but often the first reaction level. Then 50 percentages line, balance point, often retested by price. But you guys, we have 3 seconds, 2, 1. Oh, okay, we closed this trade just in the zero and we just got our money back, but it's fine. We just didn't have a little bit of time because we were in the plus, but after it changed a little bit. So as you can see, also time of the expiration is means a lot. So here we will wait to see how our price will go. If it will achieve this level again, yes, we can see it achieve this level again of 0.75. So we're gonna open here trade buy again for 2 minutes. So we were talking about what do the line means on the Fibonacci. So as we talked about, 50 percentage line is the balance point often retested by the price, right? After 61.8 percentages line, or here 0.618, is the strongest, called the golden level, major boundary between correction and reversal. And above 61.8 percentages, as for here, for example, 0.75 or 1 or even more, it often signals a trend change, but not every time. So need to check it out, because as you can see before, it was also going out of the Fibonacci levels even above than 1, like 100%, but it's fine. That just means that our price in the overbought zone, but at the same time in the overbought zone, it could be there for some time and only after that reverse. Because a lot of people think the second when the price achieve, for example, overbought or oversold zone, that means that it's definitely gonna be a reversal. But of course, it's not always like this. And firstly, you need to wait for a confirmation of reversal. For example, as here it was, so big shadows on the upper of the candle showing us that the buyers were trying to break this level, but they couldn't. So that's why our price fell down. So for now, we can see that it's going a little bit lower. Let's wait, but at the same time, could happen. But actually, the buyers first, was showing a lot of their power, but for now, they're kind of giving up. Okay, 14 seconds. We have some green candle for now. Okay, it's showing us the power. Definitely 7 seconds, guys. Oh my god, 5 seconds. No way we're gonna close it. Three, two, one. We did that. We did that. This is trading. Oh my god, this is trading, baby. Definitely. Ooh, yeah, but yeah, as we can see, time of the expiration is changed a lot. Definitely. If we didn't have this like 10 seconds for now, we didn't close this trade on the plus. So sometimes there could be some fluctuation happen. So that's why, guys, I recommend you to trade for at least like 2-3 minutes per trade. So that's how you have time. So now let's change to $30 and open a trade up again because the buyers showed what they can. So yeah, and so also how you can use Fibonacci fan in trade. So for trading, the key factors are entry point and expiration time. So this instrument can be applied as follows. First of all, for finding entry zones. So when price touches a fund line, it's possible bounce or reversal. But again, need to check it out other conditions. So if candlestick confirms a rejection, for example, pin bar or engulfing, you can take a trade on the bounce and open it in the opposite direction. So now, guys, we have 1 minute and 5 seconds. This currency pair is tricky. It's really tricky with us, but I don't want to give up, so that's why. Okay, let's wait. And also we can see big upper wick on the green candle. Oh no, no, it's falling. It's literally falling. Oh my god, no way. It's already achieved another level. It's not that good. New. Okay, guys, we have just 10 seconds for now. We're not gonna close the surgeon plus definitely, but here changed. This is the trading. Sometimes it's not that easy as it looks like. You know, I need to be honest with that as well. Yeah, we didn't close the trading plus because not any instrument of trading unfortunately cannot guarantee you 100% profitability of your trade. So now is the time definitely to change this currency pair. Okay, let's find something more interesting. Let's do Fibonacci fun here. Okay. Let's change to aim 5. And we go to aim 1 again. So here we're going to open a buy trade. So what we can see here, because it was pretty strong downward trend, it achieved this support level and now started reaching in an upward direction. Yeah, here's some fluctuations in a downward direction, but for a pretty short period of time. And we can see that the buyers is not giving up here as well. So also it touched the level of 0.75. So it could be a good sign. Okay, now it's reversing a little bit. So I'm nervous. Oh my god, 1 minute, 20 seconds, but we still have a time. And we can see the volatility here is kind of crazy. Okay, now it's going pretty well. So while we're waiting for this, let's talk about also how you can use Fibonacci fan in trade. We were talking about for finding entry zones, but also, second of all, for the direction of trade. So if price is above the line and bouncing upward, you can open a trade buy. If price is below and bouncing downward, you can open a trade sell. But also depends on the situation and need to analyze more things as the support resistance levels, candlestick patterns, and more. So guys, put attention to that as well. So the next one is choosing expiration time. So since fan lines are dynamic, you need to use short expiration, for example, 2 to 5 candles. So for example, if you trade on M1, you trade with the time of the expiration of 2 to 4 minutes, as we do here. If you trade on M5, it could be 10 to 20 minutes, for example. Now, guys, by the way, it's 20 seconds till the end of our trade. And as you can see, it's going pretty well. It's a new candle up here in the chart. And it's still going in an upward direction. Now it stopped a little bit. Okay, let's wait 10 seconds. But we're definitely going to close this one. Okay, 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And we close this trade on a plus. Okay, perfect. Oh, so let's change our amount of money and we open a buy trade again here for 2 minutes. Okay, perfect. And also, you can use Fibonacci for filtering false signals. So you need to avoid trading if price is stuck between the fan lines. And also you need to confirm signals with RSI, MACD, or Bollinger Bands, for example, depends on what kind of indicators you like and depends what kind of indicators will be good with scalping, with short time of the expiration trades, right? But I don't use today any indicator just to not make it all messy on the screen. So I can just show you that with the Fibonacci fan. And also I'm still checking the support resistance levels by myself, of course, candlestick patterns and more. Okay, it's 1 minute 10 seconds. We're in the plus now. Okay, today the market is not on our side too much, but let's wait 1 minute for now. Okay, let's wait. 53 seconds. We're in the plus. It's going great. Okay. I cannot even comment that. Today's not the easy trading, okay? But guys, I'm showing you the way it is. It's not that easy every day, you know. For example, today you could have a lot of the great currency pairs with consistent and strong upward downward trend. And today you have this. Oh my god, it's 15 seconds. Let's wait. Let's wait. Okay, 5 seconds. 2, 1. No, we didn't close that, guys. Oh my god. Let's change it to all of them on the money that we have, and let's change the currency pair to something else. Okay. As you can see, it's not that many currency pairs on the real market for now. So that's why I don't have that much choice. Let's check it out. Fibonacci fan here. We're gonna open here a buy trade for 2 minutes. Because we can see some kind of the short upward trend, but it's definitely shouldn't be a reversal here. There's no signs of that, and now our price in pretty strong zone. So I also want to tell you the example strategies with Fibonacci fan. So the first one is bounce from the lines. So you need to wait for price to touch a fan line, for example, 38.2, 50, or 61.8, and enter a trade on candlestick confirmation in the bounce direction. And the expiration is 2 or 3 candles. Then, by the way, guys, here you can see Fibonacci retracement. And here's also a lot of the levels that you also, guys, you can go here to drawings, and here's Fibonacci retracement. It's something a little bit different. As you can see, you can change it like that, but I mostly prefer Fibonacci fan if need to choose from them. And you can also change here the size of your horizontal lines. We just use it the classic way. Okay, 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. We did that. Okay, perfect, guys. So guys, now we changed our amount of money to $60. So we will not risk that much as well. So actually, I think we can use the same currency pair because it achieved a new level of 0.75 and should reverse from it. Let's change to 1 minute and open here a sell trade. Why change for the time of the expiration for 1 minute? Because it definitely should be a fast correction. If we choose for 2 minutes, we have the risk of our price to go in the upward direction for a little bit. And yeah, that's what I'm talking about right now. Okay, let's wait. It's still 40 seconds. So while we're waiting here for the end of our trades, I also want to give you some tips. So you don't need to use Fibonacci fan in a sideways market. It only works in trends. Also, don't enter without candlestick confirmation. It's pretty important. And for that, you need to learn all of the candlestick patterns. And also avoid long expirations because lines lose power over the time. So it's better to trade with like 2 to 5 minutes time per trade. So guys, we have to have 2 seconds, 1, and we close this trade in the plus. Okay, perfect. Let's change here the amount of money per trade, and I'm gonna open here a buy trade for 2 minutes. You'll ask me, Lisa, are you crazy? It should be a downward correction here right now, the reversal and everything, but we can see after this kind of the fast downward movement, boom, for just a few minutes, we can wait for the same fast upward movement. So that's what is happening right now, and guys, I'm sure that it will go higher than this point, also because our price didn't achieve the previous resistance level yet. So as you can see, it's on the level 0.618. right? And you can see now it's growing and going up to it. So you can also catch this kind of the movement, but need to be really fast. So that's why I opened the next trade after the previous one like this, because I know that usually after this kind of the situation, the price goes the upward direction, even if it's just a correction, and after the price will achieve the resistance level and reverse. But yeah, no, it's kind of difficult to understand. But guys, actually, for beginners, I definitely recommend to just follow the strong trends, not get too much into reversals anymore, because it could be really difficult to do that. For example, you wait for the reversals, you see all of the signs, you open, but boom, it just goes in the same direction again. Um, so yeah, better not risk that much and just follow the trend. And guys, we have 27 seconds to the end of our trade. And I'm going to open here a new trade buy for 2 minutes, because pretty good upward trend. But now it reversed in the downward direction pretty fast. Oh my God, no. I hope it will close. Please, the first trade for now. I need to close, okay? Okay, it's 4 seconds. Oh my God. It happened so fast. Oh, we were in the plus in the last second. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's why I don't like to risk that much. And I recommend you guys always to use money management system. Use 1 to 5% of your deposit per trade. Better even to use 1%, so you minimize your risk at all. So here actually I'm thinking to open a rollover, because we still have a chance to do it because our price is below our entry point. So let's do that. We'll risk a little bit again because we also double our amount of money per trade. But we also got 2 more minutes to close this trade, because yeah, 2 minutes was not that much here. So let's wait. Okay guys, so now we have 21 seconds till the end of our trades. And it's not going that great. We're still below the entry point, but guys, I think I need to show you that as well. Okay, now I'm spectating a little bit, because you know, it's just honest that you cannot be always like profitable in every trade, and sometimes you face with the losses, and just the only important thing is how you deal with that and what you do after. Don't need to be stressful or something, just need to keep going. Or if you feel like you're too much stress, you cannot continue, you can just leave it for today and continue tomorrow or in a few more days. That's it. Okay, let's draw here Fibonacci fan. Oh, okay, let's open here a sell trade for 2 minutes, because we could see a pretty strong downward trend. Okay, and let's wait. So for now we have 30 seconds till the end of our trades. The volatility here is crazy, just crazy. It's one of the difficultiest video I ever made for a long time, guys, because I don't know, today we're just not that lucky with the currency pairs actually, and I'm trading only on the real market, so that's why we don't have that much options actually, with also a big payout. So now we have 5 seconds, definitely 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my God, this is so difficult. Guys, it was one of the most difficultiest video I ever made for a long time, because again, we were trading with no indicators, only Fibonacci fan, real markets, no that much room for mistake as well. So I hope you're gonna like this video, you're gonna subscribe to my channel, because guys, come on, I was suffering today literally, but I'm so happy that we still made it. And so yeah guys, if you want more videos about some interesting instruments that maybe you never saw before, or you don't understand how they're actually working, just let me know in the comments and I'm gonna make it. And we're gonna see each other on the next trading session. Bye bye.